Have you ever wondered about the mysteries that lurk in the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy? What secrets does our galactic home hold? Today we journey into the heart of the Milky Way to uncover recent discoveries and breakthroughs. In the early days of 2024, the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed the existence of an Earth-sized exoplanet, a mere 41 light-years away. This celestial body, named LHS 475b, presents a tantalizing possibility of a rocky composition and temperatures warmer than our Earth. The telescope's superior capabilities are currently being utilized to study the planet's atmosphere and potential cloud cover, opening up new avenues for exoplanet research. But that's not all. The James Webb Space Telescope has also shed light on star and planet formation processes. It captured images of a dusty disk around the star Mike, providing invaluable insights into how planets take shape. Moreover, it offered a glimpse into star formation in the NGC 346 region of the Small Magellanic Cloud, taking us back to the conditions during the cosmic noon. In other recent developments, astronomers are now turning to the faint light emitted by rogue stars, or intra-cluster light, in intergalactic space. This ambient glow, once overlooked due to its faintness, is now being harnessed to investigate the mysteries of dark matter. The color of this light offers clues about the origins of the stars and the dynamics within galaxy clusters. As elusive as it may be, this faint universe holds the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. In 2022, a groundbreaking discovery was made when an interstellar meteor crashed into Earth near Papua New Guinea. This marked the first known instance of an interstellar object reaching our solar system. This discovery suggests the presence of material from other star systems and galaxies in our solar system, a revelation that propels us to explore the cosmos with renewed vigor. In summary, the Milky Way galaxy continues to astound us with its beauty and complexity. From the discovery of new exoplanets to the study of intra-cluster light and interstellar objects, we are continually expanding our understanding of this magnificent star factory. The Milky Way galaxy remains a treasure trove of cosmic knowledge, waiting for us to unravel its mysteries. As we journey through the universe, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be discovered?